So in this video, I'll show you how to resume a Möbius activity that was exited before submitted for grading. Now, be sure to check out the Exit and Activity Help Topic and Video Guide for more information on exiting in-progress attempts. So, on your class homepage, activities that can be resumed are indicated with a yellow arrow status icon here, meaning that they are in progress. And they also have the resume button here, where my mouse is hovering, this button in the activity pane. So all you have to do is click on the resume button to re-enter your attempt that you exited earlier. Now, one note to mention is that if you are resuming a product exam, you may have to receive authorization to keep working on your attempt. So if I click resume, like I just did right here, I can just see a launch page again, just to review everything. So you can see here I get the message that says, I can resume this activity. Click the button resume. I'm navigated back into my in-progress attempt where all of my previous responses have been saved. So that's how you resume an in-progress activity attempt in Möbius.
Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video to be helpful. Want to see what else you can do in Möbius? Be sure to check out the links to the Möbius online help in the video description, as well as our other Möbius video guides. Subscribe to the DigitalEd channel to be the first to know when a new video comes out. And don't forget to hit that like button.